Kia ora koutou. Part 5 in the Putting in the Mahi video series is about structured learning techniques, active recall, and blurting. So active recall is basically just to choose a topic that you've recently learned and see how much you can remember about it. Some of the ways you can do this is by making a mind map or brainstorm, using flashcards, either by making your own or using an online flashcard set, writing a list, explain what you've learned to somebody else. And there is a study technique called look, cover, check, where you look at your notes, have a quick read through them, then close the book, see how much you can remember. You can watch one of the Tukua Te Reo videos and see how much you can remember afterwards. Active recall is a quick, effective way to find out how well you've remembered the topic so that you can understand the things you know and the things you want to practice some more. One of the study methods that can be used with active recall is called blurting. It's a funny word. It's pretty much exactly what the strategy is about. You pick a topic, you set a timer for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and then blurt out everything you can remember about the topic until the timer goes off. Afterwards, it's a good idea to think about what you still need to work on and plan your next steps. The main thing is that you blurt out the information without trying to organise it or put it into any particular order. It doesn't have to be in writing. You can just say it or record it on your phone, share it with someone else, or just whatever works for you. There's quite a lot of research out there about methods like this one, and here's a few examples. The articles say that when you try and remember things, it triggers the neural pathways in the brain, and this makes the learning become long-term. Blurting is a quick, easy study strategy, and it also helps you to figure out what you still need to work on so you can plan ahead. I hope you find these structure strategies for success helpful. Kia ora koutou.